Guys, welcome back to my video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing another unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. Actually, there's two of them here. And let's get in it. It looks like there's a sticky note on here. Make sure it's not too visible there. And yes, I already have one of these. Actually, a couple of them already. There's the Sprint LG PM-325 with a box. Looks like it doesn't have the actual plastic tray in there, but there's actually two of them in here, along with a piece of paper on top of this. Some kind of numbers. Very interesting. There's another piece of the box that looks like. Oh, this is probably the serial number for the other phone. So here we are, got some more paperwork here. This is the original receipt for the phones. I think purchased in 2005. See if I can get that on. I don't want to give out the guy's personal info, but see if I can get it to focus at 2005. Focus, there we go. And it looks like they bought two Samsung A660s and two LG PM-325s, as well as a Bluetooth headset. Looks like these were on a 2-year contract, and it was $180 a piece for these. Very interesting. I'll definitely hold on to that. Let's go and take a look. It's got the owner's manual, it looks like. Plans and search, yeah, pretty much the boring stuff. Here's the first one. Looks to be in decent shape, minus the screen being dirty. It's probably going to be dead because it didn't have a charger, so there's the guy's phone. I mean, I guess it's probably deactivated anyways these days, but there's a number on there. And then here's the other one in a very interesting case, which this one has been worn through extremely hard. You can see a lot of wear and tear. Even the top Sprint logo is completely worn off. The keypads, the back, headphone cover is missing. Definitely had a lot of use on it. I'm guessing it's probably dead as well. Back cover looks to be broken, and the push button looks to be backwards on that one compared to how it's supposed to be. Isn't that interesting? So, to be honest, I won't drop test these types of phones because they're really hard to find, to be honest. So, I'll probably end up doing a trade with this one if I can get it to turn on. And probably throw in a belt case clip thingamajigger goes with it. But there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.